Any day when I did work duty as an officer, I did with my rifle, I did work. Make somebody video me. Make that oga when he give an order, someone at the video us. He go do your burial for you. He go bury you. I go bury you.
Anybody can record any police officer at his duty post. In as much as the police officer is doing the right thing, he has nothing to fear about recording.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wò eléyìí gbẹnu tán o fídíò arákùnrin ọlọ́pàá yìí ló ti ń jà rìnrìn lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára láti bí ọjọ́ bíi mẹ́ta báyìí níbi tí ọlọ́pàá yìí ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá fídíò òun níbi tóun ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ pé tí ìbọn bá wà lọ́wọ́ òun ṣe tán láti pa onítọ̀hún. Ẹ wò ó tẹ bá tó gbọ́ fídíò yìí síwájú sí i ó tiẹ̀ ní pé gbogbo èrò tó wà nínú bọ́ọ̀sì náà pé òun ṣe tán láti pa gbogbo wọn pátápátá. Ẹ wò ẹ gbọ́ fídíò náà síwájú then níparí fídíò yìí nígbà tó ṣe eléyìí tán mo rò bí tọwọ́ pálábá rẹ̀ ségi ó tún padà wá síta ó wá bẹ̀bẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀bẹ̀ tó bẹ̀ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan màá máa ṣàlàyé ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tọ́lọ́pàá yìí sọ náà màá tún wá ṣó ibi tó ti bẹ̀bẹ̀ lẹ́yìn èyí màá wá ṣàlàyé ohun tó wá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi wo ibi tán kọ subscribe sí nísàlẹ̀ ẹ kílìkì lórí subscribe button yẹn ọwọ́ yín tẹ fi ń bá kílìkì lé subscribe button ẹ ò ní fi gbé ọmọ sí ẹ ò ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ lórúkọ Jésù o.
Any day when I did work duty as an officer, I did with my rifle, I did work. Make somebody video me. Make that oga when he give an order, someone at the video us. He go do your burial for you. He go bury you. I go bury you.
Anybody can record any police officer at his duty post. In as much as the police officer is doing the right thing, he has nothing to fear about recording.
The numbers of how many una be una go kick away. Now you go bury una. Allah. They burn anybody where video me when I'm on duty. Performing my lawful duty in Nigerian government, Nigerian police for 26 years, they will suffer. They suffer every time, every day suffer. Uniform, and not buy nothing, not do for, not give us, not do anything. Not no accountability for us, for any life. Who died to even not be this one, the IG when just come new now. Begin they try to amend things, they help people. Look at people when their papa don't die since how many years. Who this IG enter now? Begin give them their insurance, give them their benefit. Just the walk, monkey the walk, babu the chop. All my body na bullet shot, gunshot na full am. See they suffer. They look body. Look at my body. You think I was born like this? This is a gunshot. They burn anybody well. Just carry your camera. Watch me well, oh. Carry your camera. Come around anywhere I dey. Come mistake video. Even though I'll clear everybody down. The whole full boss. Anywhere, except the person not stand near you when they video, I'll clear everybody down. I swear to God, if I not do, I may die. They burn anybody, Papa. Well, come and video me. That guy when tell you that police officer give you order to the video policeman on duty. Oh yeah. Now chop na nyash. Now see wahala. Now see problem. Problem go rob una generation. Cause this idiot one not go anywhere. Now not fit go learn work. Now not fit do anything. Now police body una get power. Why not go the video soldier? Where did they work? The DSS and all. Police will carry wahala for head. Every time problem go kill you now. Swear. Good morning everybody, good morning Nigerians. Ogarisi, good morning. You are from Delta and from Edo State. So I've been pushing a video since update from time. It doesn't go viral. But the one I make yesterday now, it don't dey push. Because when I don't hear say I said no, I doesn't mean it like that. I only annoy for people. Actually, you can video us, you can video a policeman. But it's not now that anybody can just come from anywhere. Started videoing somebody is on duty. Even some policemen sitting on their own, they will go there and be videoing there. They have taken it beyond that for us. If we even make the policemen not to work active, because we are supposed to work active, go to fear, say, may they not video, may they not do this, anything can happen. I'm a full Nigerian, I'm a full born of Nigeria. My father is a soldier. I grew up in the Kaduna Barra. I was born in Kaduna. There's never a time Anybody that knows me should talk to they will tell you my duty, my police duty I've served in this country. I doesn't mean it like that. But just because of annoyance, but because of some other people have started making trending video about policemen and all. You should not do us like that, because we will not have a capable time to work as activities, men. I'm not just talking. I talk with annoyance. And if I talk, the thing pain the vessel like that, Mona forgive me. Mona forgive me, because all of us now brother. No matter anything when they happen, all of us are one love. Now you don't come for this one, you don't they go. Not be so. How go they kill my people? How many are there? We don't do that. Everybody should. Anywhere they ask of me, people will tell you testify the glory of me. I not be person. Will not be person when they go forward, when they begin go back. No. If you stand by unity, say I don't work mobile for 12 years. I work. I dey serve my fatherland. I know say yes. Now my heart I take the serve am. I know the serve and they find money. People who know me go testify about me. Harrison, forgive me. I beg the whole Nigeria, Mona forgive me. That statement na just annoyance of things when they happen. Na things when they happen. They happen, they pain person. Normal human being when he lie down, he go pain am. He go pain am. He go pain am. Who don't suffer well, not be saying that today. Na annoyance. See my body. A bullet be all this one. All these are gunshot injury. I don't want to show my lap. See my body. All these are gunshot injury. See am. Look my body. All these are gunshots. We don't suffer well for the work. So now annoyance. See my body. Look at my chest. Look at my chest. Bullet don't chop and see my hand. See my hand here. We don't do 17. We don't do 17. Now let me survive. I'm be 2 of us. Now survive. Now survive the operation. So not be say at the talk with now vaccination, because of the way other people don't make they take correction. Not be say you go just see policeman begin video around. Mona forgive me. Yeah? If I offend you now as brother, Mona forgive me. Me I'm from Edo State. We not they do that kind of life. We not feel that kind of life. And we decided to say we go die for our fatherland. We still they over up all the killing of the policemen and other things. We still they struggle to make sure say things come normal, because one day things must surely come normal by the grace of God. If you not hard, you know the peace, no, the even husband and wife when married, they not quarrel, they know they get peace. Yeah? Mona forgive me, I beg. If I offend you now, that one a verbal talk. That one a verbal talk. That one a verbal talk. So this are our new IG way come now. We know say things go dey normal by the grace of God. Things go dey now small. What you don't spoil, they hard to repair. Mona forgive me, I beg. Mona forget. If you reach, you don't reach like this now, you don't dey trade, don't dey move. But all the one when I post, Mona post them, Mona tag them out. Push them out. But the one when I don't do before, all those videos when I don't do, they praise God, they do every. Push them out, make they see life. Not before wicked thing, they go see life. Me, I don't want to talk too go far. May not be like say maybe at the boast or anything. But make life there for us, all of us, by the grace of God. We go see the end. Things go good for all of us. Obviously, you my brother, this one I don't reach. You don't detest say I be a do, but you see the push. Now so they do am. You know there is, you go know me one-on-one. If you want know me, go through me, you invite me, you know me one-on-one. Me, I will not the wrong, not the surrender. No retreat, no surrender. Now the job won't enter be that. Now the grace of God will take the leave. Mona forget, I beg. Mona forgive me. One love. One love to the world.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ rí pé ó lágbára báyìí. Kí lohun tó mú ọlọ́pàá yìí tó fi bọ́ síta tó fi lè máa sọ wípé òun ṣetán láti yìnbọn pa ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá rìkọ́ọ̀dù òun níbi tóun ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ tòun. Ẹ gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tó kà á lẹ̀. Ó ní no uniform, no money, nothing. Pé ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ gbé wá ló jẹ́ pé ó ṣẹ̀ ń ṣe díẹ̀díẹ̀ tó ń tiraka láti ṣètọ́jú ọlọ́pàá láti máa san gbogbo owó tó yẹ kí wọ́n san fún àwọn. Ṣùgbọ́n irú ọlọ́pàá báyìí àwọn èèyàn wá ń wò pé ǹjẹ́ irú ọlọ́pàá báyìí ǹjẹ́ ó tọ́ láti dúró sójú ọ̀nà rárá, nítorí pé fún èèyàn fúnra rẹ̀ tí kìí ṣe pé bóyá ó ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ní kọ́nà fún ara rẹ̀ ló mú fóònù ara rẹ̀ tó rìkọ́ọ̀dù ara rẹ̀ tó ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó tún fi Ọlọ́run búra wípé àníṣe ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá rìkọ́ọ̀dù òun pé òun ṣetán láti parí onítọ̀hún o. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ kọ́mẹ̀ǹtì ló ti wáyé, àwọn kan ní frustration rèé o wípé irú ọlọ́pàá báyìí kò yẹ lẹ́ni tó tún gbọ́dọ̀ máa dúró lójú títì mọ́ o, nítorí pé nǹkan tó fi lè mú jáde tí òun ṣe pé bóyá kọ̀rọ̀ ló ti ń sọ pé ó ṣeé ṣe kí ó wà frustrated lọ́jọ́ kan kínú rẹ̀ ru sókè pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yìí pé nǹkan tó fi lè mú tó sọ jáde pé ó ṣeé ṣe kí irú ọlọ́pàá báyìí kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ṣe bó ṣe sọ o. Àwọn kan ní rárá kò lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tó fi lè sọ yẹn tó fi wá tọrọ apology. Oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ni àwọn èèyàn ń sọ nípa arákùnrin yìí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wo fídíò yìí náà ẹ gbọ́, ṣé lóòótọ́ ṣé ó yẹ kí wọ́n sì jẹ́ kí arákùnrin yìí kó dúró lójú ọ̀nà ní checkpoint àbí kán jẹ́ kó padà sínú báràkì kó lọ máa ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ kó má jẹ́ pé wọ́n gbé arákùnrin wá síta mọ́, nítorí inú bí arákùnrin lóòótọ́ ẹ̀rí tó ń fi ojú ọta ìbọn tó wà lára rẹ̀ tó ń fi hàn àwọn èèyàn pé ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo ojú ọta ìbọn lára mi fàlàfàlà. Ẹ rí i pé eléyìí gbẹ̀nù tán. Kí ni opinion tiyín? Irú ọlọ́pàá yìí ṣé kán fi í lẹ̀ kó dúró lójú ọ̀nà àbí kàn jẹ́ kí ó padà sínú báràkì? Bó bá ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ tiyín ẹ̀yin náà fi síbi comment section. Ẹ má gbàgbé lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, ẹ bá mi wo ibi tán kan subscribe sí nísàlẹ̀, ẹ kílìkì lé subscribe button yẹn lórí fún wa, ọ̀fẹ́ ní subscription, kò sẹ́ni tó máa jáwó yín. Ọwọ́ yín tẹ́ fi wá ń bá wa tẹ subscribe ní orúkọ Jésù. Ẹ ò ní fi gbé ọmọ sí o, ẹ ò ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́, nǹkan ayọ̀ nǹkan re lẹ́ ò máa fọwọ́ yín ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run.